What is going on, YouTube? Hopefully this video finds you safe and well. And I'm outside freezing my butt off on a 17-degree day for a little bit of fresh air, and just to show you guys a new knife that I thought was exceptionally interesting. Why? It's got a swing guard. Okay, so swing guards are kind of rare. As you can see, when you open the blade, there's this little swinging guard, and then you close it, it seats flush. This model is by Elite Tactical. It's got dual thumb studs. It's running on bearings. So you've got a ball bearing pivot. You've got an axis lock. Okay. So as you can see, it's just super free swiveling. Pivot action on it is super buttery. You can use the axis lock to deploy the blade and open and close it easily, or you can flip it with your thumb, whether you're a righty or a lefty. And you've got the dual thumb studs, so whichever way you prefer. The handle scales, the manufacturer described them as being G10. I'm not really sure that they're actual G10. I think it's more of a glass reinforced nylon fiber type of materials. It's definitely grippier than a regular plastic ABS. It's got a nice feel to it, but it's just not milled in the same way as G10 usually. So maybe it is a G10. I could be wrong, but you've got a little backspacer here with some jimping with the Elite logo on it. You've got really nice centering. I don't know how well this action camera is showing up. Today I decided to use the action camera just for a change, just to kind of mix things up, get outside a little bit instead of sitting over a table. But the blood groove fuller is on the front side of the blade, and on the black side it's totally smooth. And you're getting D2 blade steel. So it's a Chinese manufactured knife, but you're getting genuine D2. And your edge retention on this knife is going to be way better than a knife that you got 440A or 3CR13 or 8CR. So these are the perks of the knife. The price. What is the price point? It's in the $30, $35 price point range. So we're trying to keep this one in stock for our customers that like a budget banger, that don't like super heavy pocket knives. The full spec sheet here I have on my phone. 4.4 ounce overall carry. This is available at arenaaccessories.com, our website. We've got the 8.5 inch overall length, 3.75 inch blade, and obviously the other things I've already mentioned: the D2 steel, the swing guard. You just don't find swing guards ever on modern knives. They're just, especially in this price point, if you're going to find a cheap swing guard, you're going to see like little junky little traditional style knives, or you're going to see like Soviet era Russian knives that have swing guards. What is the whole point of a swing guard, besides it being cool, is it acts as a guard. So once you've got the knife open, yeah, you've got this extra little nub here for your finger so that you don't get sliced. I mean, if you were to slip while you're working with the knife, you've got the top edge here to guard your thumb. If you're the fan of holding the top of the blade, obviously that's a little tough with a swing guard, but you still have your jimping here on the spine of the handle. And I gotta say, the axis lock is not super stiff, but I'm sure it would break in over time. There's a little spring clip in there, just a standard axis lock design that everybody jumped on as soon as Benchmade let their patent expire. All the companies just decided to make some rapid lock, or they name this lock totally tons of different things, but it's basically like a pivoting spring-loaded lock. So you grab it with your forefinger. If you've never had an axis lock or you're not familiar with them, you grab it with your thumb and your forefinger, your pointer finger. You pinch and you pull down, and then that frees up the blade. It's one of the strongest locking mechanisms. Like, these things just don't fail on you while you're working with them. Axis locks are very safe. And then on top of that, you combine that with the swing guard, and you got a little extra safety there too. So just a really cool knife. I don't think anybody's really made too many videos or information on it, so I wanted to share. I wanted to show you guys that we do carry it on our website, arenaaccessories.com, and I hope this helped you. Have a great day.